Hey everyone, this video is going to review some basic setup and gradebook options in Schoology. All right, so I'm in Schoology. When you log into Schoology, you'll probably land on this page. This is the recent activity page. Now we're going to jump into the course dashboard. This is where you will see any course that you are assigned to teach or any course that has been created that you are enrolled as an administrator or teacher. You can drag these around. They are easy to rearrange, so you can put the most frequently used ones at the top. To create a course, you can go to Courses up here in the blue banner and then My Courses. If you have the permissions to create courses, you will see Create Course here along the right-hand side. Some of you may not have the power to create courses, so somebody else will have to create them for you, another administrator in the system, for example. So you may or may not see that button. You can also go to this area to reorder your courses. So this is just another place where you can get everything organized. You can also join a course here. So for example, if somebody shares an access code with you, you can go to this area to type it in and enroll yourself in a course. And speaking of enrolling in a course, let's talk about student enrollment. So if you're a high school teacher, your courses will already be populated for you. So you don't have to worry about enrolling students. But if you're an adult ed teacher or you've created your own course for training purposes or whatever, you'll need to know how to enroll your own students. So we're going to jump into one of our courses. And then along the left-hand side, if you scroll down a little bit, you should see this green area that says access code. You can copy and paste this access code into an email and share it with your students, or you can write it real big on your whiteboard, and students can use that access code to enroll themselves in your course. Less work for you. The other way to enroll students is to click on the Members button along the left-hand side of your Schoology course screen. Members will take you here to a screen that looks like this. You'll see Members at the top and an Add Members button. Click the Add Members button and search for students by last name or first name. Hit Enter after you type in the name and simply click on a student and click Add Members. So you can manually add your students. You can also add co-teachers to this course. Go to Add Members, find the co-teacher's name, and add them as usual. But then after you add your co-teacher, you'll have to click on the gear icon next to their name in your list and change to Make Admin, and then confirm the change. So that's how you create co-teachers within the course. Keep in mind that you won't be able to add members who aren't in Schoology, who don't have Schoology accounts. So somebody will have had to have made those accounts, and then you'll be able to go into the add members and find those people and add them to your course. So they already need to have a Schoology account. If they don't, please contact me or Andrew Cerniglia, and we can get those students enrolled.